To the people who have keyboard clicking sounds on their phone, what's your reasoning for not turning it off? I don't have the sounds but vibration, set to very low, which makes a slight noise. Not sure if that counts, but here goes. It makes me way faster and accurate. I really need the feedback, it just gets so messy when I try typing without it. Also I'm Swiss, and Swiss German is not a written language, so we don't have any autocorrect or anything. Sad face. I already make too maybe mistakes as it is, so I take everything I can. Winky face. So the people filming my drama TV show know I'm typing. I normally just keep the phone on silent so it doesn't matter. Also NGL, it's kinda satisfying, so when I turn off silent it's just a fun bonus. I have a shitty phone, sometimes I type too fast and it causes the phone to stall. When I'm typing and suddenly vibrations stop, I know that I need to pause so that it can process the input I've given it. If I'm around other people, I silence it because I can imagine it's annoying to others. However, if I'm by myself, I keep it on because I quite enjoy the sound. Since I first started using computer keyboards in the 80s, there has always been some kind of clicking noise and tactile feeling as I press each key. From Apple IIs, to Epsons, to Compaqs, to Gateways, to touch-tone phones, to the Motorola Brick, to Nokias and on up to my Raspberry. There has always been a physical button and slash or some kind of associated noise when using keyboards. With the advent of touch screens, it just doesn't feel right to not have a physical button or any sound. So I leave the clicks on. It tells me when my phone isn't on silent. I don't need it going off in class. My parents both have the vibration and sound on for typing because they say it feels more tactile. They can feel when they hit a letter, so it's easier for them to catch typos. I like hearing how fast I can type. I don't know how to turn it off, and I don't really like it. I'm on an iPhone 6, yes it's old but it does the job. Can you tell me how to turn it off? I'm hard of hearing and I didn't know there were clicking sounds. Oops. They're off now. Apologies to anyone I've shared space with over the years. Flushed face. I find it immensely satisfying. I'm not even kidding. I love it. I turn them off when I'm going to be around people a lot, but I find it satisfying. It relaxes me. The same reason why I like a loud keyboard. I like the clickety-clacks. I silence my phone in quiet public spaces, but if there's a lot of background noise, I leave it on. Because if I can barely hear it, there's no way somebody across the room in a loud location is going to hear or care. I can hear my butt dial. Seriously, if my phone's in my pocket and I hear those sounds, then I can intercept whatever is about to happen. When I'm alone, I have it on because it's soothing. When I'm not alone, I have it off to not annoy people. I like hearing the sounds, it's satisfying for me. My sister keeps it on because she says it reminds her of old phones with hard buttons. I hate those sons of bitches. It causes me some odd type of distress to hear no noise when pressing what technically is a button, even if it's just a click or tap or whatever. And hashtag X200B. Like my brain doesn't process it as well for some reason. And hashtag X200B. I've been told I'm a pretty loud typer too, so. Because fuck you, that's why. Because I like it. Congrats op, you just indirectly, created more clicking sound by asking this question. OMG, this is my fucking mom. Click 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 OMFG mom, stop. It gives the illusion of having a keyboard, but I prefer the clicking over the vibrate. So I can tell when my kids are up to no good because I hear the little click 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 when they are just looking at something. To irritate you. Specifically you. I just like them. They sound nice to me. I like constant background noise. I only have it on when alone or using earphones. Because I have a BlackBerry. When I have earphones on, sometimes I turn them on when I know it won't bug other people. Somehow it helps with my anxiety. Almost like the noise associated with the word I type makes it more like me talking to another person than writing to a stranger. Me likey clickety clack. To know if I accidentally left my phone on ringer instead of vibrate. Sometimes certain apps or videos only play on ringer. When I hear keyboard clicks, it reminds me to turn phone back on vibrate. Because it feels like I'm actually hitting the keys and I like that. I need the tactile feedback or it feels weird and I lose my ability to type. It's so that I know that I'm clicking the buttons. I genuinely didn't know it bothers people because the sound is relaxing and satisfying to me. Now I'll always be self-conscious about having it on. Uneasy face. Edit. I always put my phone on silent if I'm in public though. My boyfriend and I leave ours on. Don't mind it at all. iPhone has really nice typing sounds in my opinion, like little popping bubbles. I don't mind his either. My old phone had terrible typing sounds though, it sounded like a typewriter or something and I always turned it off. I would turn it off in public regardless since it seems like a lot of people hate it. Skull and crossbones, the great thing about this phone is that it's ridiculously easy to just turn it off by using the silent switch. Sorry, this is my first time with this phone and I'm quite enjoying it. I have a BlackBerry, there is no turning it off. My wife uses the sounds and it drives me insane. I swear that's the only reason she hasn't switched it off. I keep it on cause I like the sound, but when I'm around other people I turn it off cause I understand that it's probably annoying. I don't have sound, but have vibration and it sounds a bit in total silence. It provides me tactile feedback. I'm the exact opposite of this person. My phone never makes a sound. Permanently on vibrate. My smartwatch vibrates and I can read the texts I get, or decline phone calls. After doing this for 2 years, people who have unreasonably loud ringtones, obnoxious default ringtones, or clicky sounds when they type, are like nails on a chalkboard. It's like smoking in public. Didn't know that I could, and now I have. Fills the lonely empty void of loneliness. I feel like it helps with my typing accuracy. It gives me closed-loop feedback on typing while my vibro is short-circuit and basically dead and the phone is old enough to have no spare parts available. For me, it's low-key stimming. I like the sound. It comforts me, somehow. I don't know how. Teach me this magic. How do you turn them off? I don't use sound but I do have vibration on. I use it because it feels like an actual keyboard and not a screen. I use a computer a lot so the vibrations simulate actual keys being pressed. I like the sound. It makes what I'm typing seem much more important. I just took a dump sounds way more legit with each click of every letter. I'm blind. Honestly, I find the button clicking sound satisfying, and I feel like it helps me with typing because I tend to make loads of typos. But I have it off most of the times when I'm around people. I like the noise, completely subjective, and not necessarily true, but it makes me feel like I'm more likely to catch typos. Too lazy. I kinda like it. I need the feedback, or else it feels wrong.